Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2441st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This video, the 2441st edition of these educational videos, coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, the 21st, 2022 of July. Traders, before we get started, remember the risk involved in this game. It is extremely risky. 2 days ago, I was wrong. We all got stopped out. It happens. Never trade without stops. Put your stops in first and know that this is certainly not suitable for all traders. You got to have the right personality and some money to play with. All right, so E-mini S&P daily bar. Same chart I've been showing you in video after video. And here's our situation for trading on Thursday. The OMNI is green, but the setup itself is waving us off. In fact, it's not setting up so that I can take an indices trade. The ES is above resistance, right? The big red resistance line, or purple. It's above that. The ES is above the 50-bar moving average. That looks good, but it is nearing the top of a bear flag. Right? This is a big bear flag, flagpole. This thing's the flag. You're nearing the top of it. Omni's waving me off, telling me to stop buying. So I don't know that the market isn't going to go straight up tomorrow. In fact, I think it will, because the Omni is green. But the setup will not allow me to actually get into an ES, NASDAQ, or Russell trade unless I pull an Oscarism-style trade. Now, looking at this flag, traders, I don't think it's because we're nearing the top of the bear flag. You know why? You can draw the flag this way, right? You can bring it up to here, which takes us further from the top of it. Or you can actually go like this and draw the flag this way. Right? So I don't know that it's the top of the flag doing it. Let's just put it back the way it was for now, and we'll deal with what we have. I don't know that it's the top of the flag that's doing it, but Omni's waving me off. Now here's the beauty of it. We don't have to be in the indices every day. There's tons of other markets out there. Now, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to trade tomorrow, but let's go through a couple of examples of what else is out there. Look at gold. Do you remember I showed you this chart a week or so ago? And I said, look, left shoulder head, right shoulder, head and shoulders formation, drops down into a bear flag. I'm going to call that a bear flag. And look what happened since I called it a bear flag. You guys remember this video, right? Well, here's what I think is the next bear flag setup right here. Let's give this some color, and I'll show you what we got going on here. I think we have another bear flag setup right here. I'm going to call this another bear flag, so this may be one of the markets that we end up trading tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But I think that's your bear flag right there, number 2, and down we should go further. Then there's things like cryptocurrency. Now, I've been showing you cryptocurrency in the last couple of videos because things are starting to happen. Look at Ethereum. Ethereum, I mentioned in last night's video that it is starting to run. Now, I am telling you, as I mentioned in last night's video, this is a cup and handle. Now, traders, here's your cup. Right? You're inside the cup right here. And here is the handle. This thing right here we're calling a handle building. So, if you've been insane enough to follow my videos for 15 years and you've watched all 2,441 of them, here's what you'll find. There's maybe 8, if that many, videos where I come out with a cup and handle. It's not a very easy formation. It's called quite often incorrectly. In fact, Investors Business Daily will call any rounded bottom a cup and handle. Oscar, when he calls a cup and handle, it's a rare occasion. I am telling you right now, that, my friends, is a cup and handle. So we've got a cup and handle, and look at this. We are above the resistance. Let me straighten that out for you. Look at this. We're above the resistance right here, the big red line. We're above this average. Now check out this average. Let me grab a little circle here. Check this out. Look at how this average has stayed out of the market's way, but when you are above it, you're above it. When you get below it, you are below it every time. Right? And here it starts to get above, does a little testing, and bam, we break out above that. We break out above the resistance, and now we've got a cup and handle, which should lead to higher levels. So far, so good in Ethereum. Bitcoin should be right behind it. I like looking at gold on the downside, Ethereum on the upside. There are 5 or 6 other commodity markets I'm looking at. Not sure what I'll trade. But if you join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com, I'll share some of these trades with you. You don't have to join the service. Just come join the room and hang out with me, and I'll share some of these trades with you for tomorrow. I will tell you this. Please stop what you're doing right now and subscribe. Subscribe to these videos right now because these are very timely, they're very educational, and once you subscribe, you will get a notification via email from YouTube every time I put one of these videos out, and that's almost every day. So subscribe, then join livewithoscar.com. No credit cards are required, no nonsense, and then say this to yourselves every single day, kids, because by now you should know what I'm going to tell you to say. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you for tuning in. Be safe out there. Put your stops in first. And I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.